we start with our lesson today, let's just remind ourselves that the skill of writing in English is an incredibly valuable one to have. Being able to write well, it really is a superpower. Today we will learn how to write reports. Let's start with the question, what is a report? A report is an informative, formal piece of writing. We write for a person in authority, example, a teacher or a business manager, etc. They contain a description of something, and then our suggestions or recommendations, assessment or evaluation of the situation described. The information in a report is presented in separated sections. Let's start with the beginning of the report. So we always start by stating who it is addressed to and what their position is. Then the writer's full name and his or her position, what it is about, and the date. Here you have an example. Reports usually contain 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is differently titled Purpose or Introduction paragraph. Here you state the purpose for your writing the report, and in this report you use linking words such as the purpose or the aim of this report is to. As requested, I'm submitting this report in order to. This report outlines, examines, concerns, assesses, and we have an example of a purpose or introduction. We will continue with the main body, which consists of 2 to 3 paragraphs. In these paragraphs, you present and review the topic. You highlight any problems and provide suggestions to the issues or problems raised. The linking words, which are used in a main body, are here in front of you. So you are provided with a list of the linking words. Let's start with to introduce or list points. You start with firstly, first of all, to begin with, secondly, you continue with secondly, furthermore, moreover, in addition, additionally. If you want to introduce contrasting points, then you use linking words such as however, on the other hand, nevertheless, in contrast, although, while, despite, in spite of the fact that, alternatively. When you express a cause, you use because, owing to the fact that, due to the fact that, in view of, seeing that, to express result, you can use thus, therefore, consequently, as a result, for this reason. To express purpose, you use in order, so as, not to, so that. To make suggestions, recommendations, you use I would strongly suggest or recommend that. Conclusion is the final paragraph where you restate the purpose of the report. You summarize the key points and include your opinion or make a recommendation. You use linking words such as in conclusion, to conclude, all in all, in summary, to summarize, to sum up. Or, on the whole, it would seem that, it is apparent that. The conclusion to be drawn from the above is that. And you have an example of a conclusion. When you finish your piece of writing, please check that all points asked for in the rubric are included. Appropriate techniques are used to start and end. The writing is well organized and coherent. There is a variety of suitable formal linking words to connect ideas. The appropriate register and style is used, so you should use advanced and formal style. Grammar is used accurately, and there is a range of rich vocabulary.